How does a simple liquid like milk transform into a solid, delicious wheel of cheese? You probably have some in your fridge right now, but the science behind making it is basically controlled magic. It all starts with fresh milk. The first major step is adding a starter culture of good bacteria. This bacteria eats the milk sugars and creates lactic acid, giving cheese its signature tang. Next comes the most crucial ingredient, rennet. Rennet is an enzyme that causes the milk proteins to clump together. This reaction separates the milk into solid chunks called curds and a watery liquid called whey. Once the curds are formed, they are cut, heated, and drained of the whey. Then, the curds are pressed tightly together into molds to form the final shape of the cheese wheel. Finally, the cheese is salted and left to age in a temperature-controlled cave or room. This aging process, which can take anywhere from a few weeks to several years, develops the unique textures and rich flavors we love. So, what is your absolute favorite type of cheese? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Mind Pop Central.